You see it. You see it. Rasta pasta with jerk barbecue chicken. Go! Yes, I know. Get off my dick. I'm back. Feel me? Let's just get to it. You see this on your screen? You see my skin color? Let's get this right. The reason why I love jerk chicken. Jerk chicken is one of my favorites.
Yo, bro, no one cares. We don't care. Get back to your video, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, bro. Why you always on my dick? Where to? You be greasing me this whole YouTube channel.
You wanna know why? I'm the nigga that makes the shit entertaining. I'm telling you that you talking that bullshit and no one wants to hear it, bro. It's just, feel me?
We're gonna make this quick and simple. Hold on, let me zip my shit up. Follow my lead. Too fast for you?
Yes.
Alright, let me slow it down. First, like the video, subscribe, and comment down below what I should make next. First, we're gonna make the marinade for the chicken, the jerk marinade, feel me? I ain't gonna tell you how much the ingredients is. Y'all need to show love. Let me know if you want that recipe down below. Before I even do that, wash your motherfucking hands, you dirty bitch. So right now, we have assorted ingredients. Our garlic, green onions, apple cider vinegar. Then we have the Scotch bonnet chilies, the most important thing in the jerk recipe. And then, what else I put in there? Garlic, green onions, apple cider vinegar, Scotch bonnet chilies. I'm missing something. Whatever I missed, it's on the screen right there for me. Put all those in the blender and blend it up. I know. Where's the whole cloves? Oh my God, where's the pimento seeds? My local store didn't have them, so I used a substitute. The substitute is cumin and allspice. I had this like 5-spice powder. Basically, you want cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves. Those are the main thing. The freshest thing you get, the better your jerk seasoning, well, jerk marinade is gonna be. You're gonna have this green little something. That's your jerk seasoning. I'm talking too fast. So we're gonna wash our chicken. Wash your chicken with the apple cider vinegar and some water. Switch it around. You know what I'm saying? Get the crevices. Clean your chicken. Don't be nasty. Put your chicken in the container. We have the spice blend first. Equal parts of brown sugar and salt. Tablespoon of cumin and the 5 ground spice thing I was just talking about before. Right? Excuse me. Season your chicken with that. Add the marinade. Rub it through whatever. Seal it. Put it in the fridge. Simple enough, right? So now your chicken is marinated. Don't put all the marinade in the chicken. Add half of it. By the way, the more Scotch bonnets you have, the more hotter. Obviously, 3 is the nice mix for me, but maybe spicy to you. So 2, 1, go. Come on me. Now for the barbecue sauce, we got ketchup in the pot. We got honey. Oh yeah, there was honey in the marinade too. In the pot with the apple cider vinegar, brown sugar. I added the salt, brown sugar too. On top of it, just a touch to season it. My spice blend. And then, what else I added? In a little water, right? If I miss something, it's on the screen. Cook that down on low heat, right? For like 15 to 20 minutes to make it thick. You want that thick color, that thick texture. Mix it, let it simmer about 20 minutes to let that simmer, and we got about an hour or 45 minutes to an hour to let our chicken marinate to, feel me? Do whatever you gotta do while you're during that time. And then come back. We got everything set up. You're gonna need a cast iron, a pot to boil water, and a grill. A grill preferably because we like those grill marks. I also julienne peppers, onions, and garlic. That's gonna go in our pasta, the Rasta pasta. Cook everything. If you got it like that, all at once. I did a video and cooked all 3 of these shit at the same time. If you want, you can take your time. First do the chicken, saute your peppers and onions for your pasta. Cook the pastas last because it's the quickest thing to cook. Put the chicken, add a little oil on the grill, make sure it don't stick because I had that problem a little bit. If you have cooking spray, that works best. Don't use the oil, use that cooking spray. Chicken, skin side down first. Let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes on each side. With the pasta now, saute your julienne peppers and onions. Let that get a little translucent, a little lip on us, right? Add your garlic. Saute all those until you see the color of the garlic start to form. Add the heavy cream, right? And let that simmer on low heat until the heavy cream gets thick. Now, cook your pasta. Boil water, add salt, cook it. Al dente, 4 to 5 minutes. Next thing you know, your chicken's gonna look good like this. To add a little in your shit, spread the barbecue sauce on your chicken. When you place it down first, spread it on top. Flip, spread it on top. Make sure each side you cook is 4 to 5 minutes. We're using chicken thighs right now. It don't really matter. Choose your favorite. The thigh is the quickest part of the chicken to cook, in my opinion. All you gotta do is leave it on stove top. You don't have to put it in the oven like how you do with the legs, drums, breasts, because it's so thick. Feel me? So use some thighs. Our saute pot for the pasta, ready to go. Heavy cream is thick. Just add the pasta in the pot. Toss it a bit. If you want that, add some of the barbecue sauce in the sauce for our pasta. Get that little flavor going as a whole. Leave your pasta in the pot. Slice your chickens. Put it on top. Add a little barbecue sauce. Garnish whatever you like. And look at it, bro. We are nice. I'm nice. Matter of fact, I ain't making it. I'm nice. You see it. You see it. It's that simple, bro. It's not that hard. Let's try this out real quick. What he said? Creamy pasta? The jerk barbecue chicken?